mykrowavetv.
To the whoever that is that be going live acting like y'all are me, please stop doing it. Please stop. Like, please stop. Y'all. Oh, thank you, Isaac. You know why, y'all. Thank you, Jazz. Thank you, Zach. Because y'all, why I be scrolling on here and I pass it the thing and I'm like, Nicki Minaj is live. Y'all, I don't even go live. So please, I hope y'all haven't been thinking that that was me because somebody been going live and putting out video, like using a video of me on the live, and it looked like it's me going live every day. Like, what the fuck? Y'all, the last time I went live was when I did the Pink Friday Nails thing with TikTok. So why they did that? Anyway, so what the person will win tonight is you gifted the page. See, y'all better get y'all money back. If y'all gifted that page, go and get y'all money back. That is Anyway, y'all. Hi, Haiti. How are you? Y'all, first of all, Jamaica, what I want? What the fuck? Oh, okay. Oh, hi, thank you. Is that Tiger? Thank you, Tiger. Or is that a fake Tiger chat? Oh, God. See, that's why I can't never know on these things, because people be thinking it's me when I'm not on this shit. Okay. Okay, so listen, who is this do I have to block? Let me see this. Who I got to block right here? Who I got to block? Who do I have to block? Cause y'all know. But, Trinidad Killer say he can't join. But why? Oh, gosh. Thank you, Isaac. So the winner today will win Hi Mexico City will win a perfume plus. Should we do a signed vinyl, you guys? Y'all tell me if that's a good gift. Is that a good gift or no? What would we add? Like, what should we add with the perfume? Somebody said, who is this? Okay, so maybe I have to take the thing off because people kept on sending requests, but let me see. Settings. Gosh, I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Oh, I see. Blamdem. Let me see if he could go on.
Hello?
Okay, Blamdem work.
Wow, go on, you good?
You hear me?
Yeah, man, me I hear. I show too much people I send requests. So if you show too much of them I send requests, the dog can't send no requests. So what you have to do? You have to decline some of them requests and then make your dog can't send requests. I have to follow him back if you want to go live with him.
Really?
Yeah, you have to follow him back. If you don't follow him back, you can't go live with him. Because your lives, they will spam you. Be a people that send a request. So you have to follow him. Just follow him back and you can't go live with him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You want him coming at backside this year, or you want to go live with him?
I don't know.
Well, I miss something. You have to decline some of my requests, them, and that's why too much people that send requests to come live. So he full up. The request full up.
No, I had added him, and then when he got on, it's just that it wouldn't, it was like buffering.
Oh, cause probably I show him phone that echo. Probably might get a call at time when he come on. So he make me phone.
Okay, it's okay because We already. Let me see.
10% back your request. Decline some of my request them with it.
Blamdem, play the song. What the?
Hold on, I'm playing.
Play the song. You can play it.
Let me go figure it.
Huh?
Now go figure that phone.
All right.
1 second.
Guys, we got a theme song, y'all. Well, child, I don't know. And listen, I did not approve of this song. I mean, I didn't hear like the final product. Like I didn't hear, you know, y'all and the Bobs know how I am with my you understand? Yes. That my life, Gaza lizard, that my life. And so listen, my man said I did not approve of this edit, that Blamdem did. I don't know what the man put on there. You know, I guess I gave him 100%. 100%. I mean, yeah, I didn't. That was when I knew it. Like by the time the song was out, that's when I was hearing it too. So yeah. But tonight I'm giving out a gift. Oh, shout out to all my Jamaicans. All of my Jamaicans, y'all know I love y'all so much. Y'all know I love y'all. But you guys, I did not go live, y'all. Hi, Belize. I ain't go live since I did the TikTok live for my nails months ago. And so one of my fans been impersonating me and playing like old video footage, which is just so fucking like who you're not supposed to curse on TikTok live? Are you supposed to curse, y'all, or are you not supposed to curse? So shout out to Jamaica. Everybody put y'all flag in the chat because we are about to play another one of my another Bob theme song. But in the meantime, we was on here to say congratulations to Trinidad Killer because he really. Oh, not only that, I forgot this too. Trinidad Killer. He got 1 million views on his videos, y'all. So now I can send him a verse. Really, just for the carnival season. It's not like, you know, It's just for in the spirit of carnival in Trinidad and all my Caribbean people and all my people anywhere that do like carnival. Hi Canada. So I have to. So right now, you know, I'm in this. But guys, listen, I don't know who needs to hear this, but you are beautiful. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you are awesome. And whatever it is that's bothering you, you'll be fine. You're gonna make it. You are, okay? So tonight, I'm gonna find out the top 10 people on this live, and I am going to send them my Pink Friday 2 perfume, plus a signed, should I do a signed vinyl, you guys? Or should I do a signed, what else should be the, hi Nigeria, hi Canada, what else should be the other gift, you guys? What gift do you want if you win? A signed t-shirt. Hi, sweetheart. I don't know the name of your. I know you put the flag, but I don't know the name of your country, babe. So I couldn't say the country name. So oh hi Kenya. So Blamdem, you there?
Yeah, man. I try me to try send it on my other phone.
South Africa.
Yeah, you Jack if I see come here and feel what that.
Who's that? Nika? Thank you, Nika.
Last money, give me the
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you very much.
Drunk up, I don't know. I don't want to know. When I live drunk up. Ready box and it, ready box and it. Keep on the man, all over drunk up. Ready box and it, ready box and it. Ready box and it, ready box and it. Keep on the man, they are celebrating. Ready box and it, ready box and it. Ten grand what a lion. I'm not top star roses that trade in the do. Spill up in the house, spill up none of you. Pull up a lot of you, me shot one and one. Nicki tell them, say I Blamdem, I slam them.
You want slam them, Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki Blamdem. Girl out to you want slam them, party gang them, Nicki mad them.
Ready box them day, ready box them day. Nicki know on the man, all over drunk up. Ready box them day, ready box them day. 10 grand what a lion. Ready box them day, ready box them day. Nicki know on the man, they are still ready box them day, ready box them day. 10 grand what a lion. People love me, people love me, never can them. Send the way the lion them. Send the way the lion them. Don't you drunk up, go look over.
Brother, how you rapping and singing over the song? I'm gonna hear the song.
You want slam them, Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki Blamdem. You want slam them, party gang them, Nicki mad them.
Ready box them day, ready box them day. Nicki know on the man, all over drunk up. Ready box them day, ready box them day. 10 grand what a lion. Ready box them day, ready box them day. Nicki know
Thank
on the
you,
man.
Asia Marie.
Ready box them day, ready box them day. 10 grand what a
Thank you,
lion.
Naruto. Thank you, Robbie. Blamdem, play it again. Play the last verse. I want to hear your last verse, Blamdem. You can't rap
Last
over it. I want to hear it.
Alright, let me play it again.
The last verse. All right, put up y'all flag. Where y'all from? Every country. Every country. Proud of where you're there. Hi, Australia.
Them come to my them. People love me, never can them. The dark fox in the land them. Send the way to bad mind. Oh look at work. Who no love me? Leg on me shirt. Dirty bad mind. Oh look at work. Who no love me? Leg on me shirt.
You want slam them, Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki Blamdem. You want slam them, party gang them, Nicki mad them.
Ready box them day, ready box them day. Nicki know on the man, all over drunk up. Ready box them day, ready box them day. 10 grand what a lion. Ready box them day, ready box them day. Nicki know on the man, they are celebrity. Ready box them day, ready box them day. 10 grand what a lion. Leg on the shirt. Leg on the shirt. Leg on the shirt.
Haiti. What? I didn't hear the second verse.
Okay.
Hold on to the second verse. Thailand, Jamaica, Uganda.
Ready box them day, ready box them day. Nicki know on the man, all over drunk up. Ready box them day, ready box them day. 10 grand what a lion. Ready box them day, ready box them day. Nicki know on the man, they are celebrity. Ready box them day, ready box them day. 10 grand what a lion. Blamdem, cut them. People love me, never can them. The dark fox in a lion them. Send the way to lion them. Don't bad mind. Oh look at work. Uno love me, leg on me shirt. Dirty bad mind, look at her. Uno love me, leg on me shirt.
Hot girl, you want slam them. Nicki just Nicki that Nicki Blamdem. Hot girl, you want slam them. Ratty gang them, Nicki mad them.
Ready bad them, ready bad them. Nicki know uno man.
Okay, so y'all think this is going how many platinum y'all think this is going sell? 10 million or 2 million? We need to know right now. We need to know. Okay. And also you guys y'all yo, the fact that Blamdem really just went and made up this song. Yeah, he do not do music. He's trying to be funny. This is so freaking hilarious, y'all. Hi, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, Barbados, Indonesia. Okay, all right. So y'all. So Blamdem, what you want for Blam next?
Anybody, man. We blame anybody. You know, remember, say we not care, you know. We blame anybody.
Blamdem. So, do you think that people just got you like mistaken? Like maybe like they think that you're not. Thank you, Nico. Ma'am, who sent that to me? Thank you, sweetheart. And guys, Nicole and Callie and Coco Hadid and okay, so Blamdem.
Yeah.
Do people have you like misunderstood, or y'all real, or you feel said no, cause y'all real, you understand, madman, or them just have the thing all wrong?
I really and truly people like me because I'm brawling and me straightforward, you see me? Because me is a man, me talk anything come out my mouth. Me no hold back nothing. You see me? Me be myself. Tell me see something me just talk, I don't care. So that's why I saw me end up on, you know, maybe myself. They always better you be yourself and you reach where you want to reach. Anything I like to do, you do it. You see me?
That's right.
Yeah, so that me do, me be myself. And I saw me do me thing and me see thing work out for me. So I that me do, me be myself, me sing. Yeah. Cause they remember enough of Nicki this, Nicki that, you know? So they mad them, so me sing a song about it.
So how you made up, like, how you did a song so fast like that? I mean, because you don't. Is this your first song that you ever made?
Yeah, first song me I made. First song. I mean, I have a lot of producers around me like John Cope, Ditcho Record, well, a big producer from Jamaica, and they helped me and sit down and write this song. And Tamale Spark.
I already know them. They're very talented.
Yeah, man, they help me put together a thing, you know, and me just do it. Because them say, alright, you know, really and truly, me they go sing one song, boy. One normal bad man song, but then say, alright, Blamdem, here's a man where people know you are somebody where you joke and talk. So, one bad man song would do word for you to sing, so. But I go sing something like this. Where it's funny, where you can laugh. So, come in. Yeah. So, remember people always hear me say, go look at work, drunker. Go look at work.
Yep.
So, I just put in a song. Leave. I mean, like, for belch for life. So, I just put everything when I like.
Okay, thank you for bringing that up. Why you do that? Why are you doing it? Like, let me know. I need to know right now. The whole islands want to know.
Well, as me say, remember a lot of people song and watch me at daytime on live. And me belch. And they like it. And me say each time I do it, they laugh.
Who told you that they like it?
The people,
What people tell you say them like it? Them don't like it.
They like me belch and go on so. Then say me have gas too.
Only men probably told you that. Women in here right now. Tell me which one of y'all say y'all like when he do that.
People don't like me do that.
No, guys.
But watch, yeah,
What somebody said because Duppy I can move up. What? Ladies, please tell me why he's lying. Talking about somebody said they like that.
Somebody must say funny. Somebody must say I'm a style. Somebody say they don't like it. But that's why I always go. See, somebody say they like it. Some not like it. We like it. Somebody said they like it.
Janella said me no like that.
Yeah, some not like it and some more like it. That's why I always go.
He said like what? Well, we talking about Blamdem right here. He did his first song ever as like a little funny theme song for the Bobs. And he burped. He's burping in the song. And I was like, oh no, what is this? And he gonna tell people, he gonna say people tell him that they like when he be burping when he goes live. Thank you, Red One. Thank you, Asia. Yeah, that's what the boy I said. Am lied to blood clots. I said I'm gone.
Somebody said they don't like it, man.
Thank you, Eric. Blamdem, nobody not said I'm like it. So so why you want to still anyway? So somebody said I don't like the song. Do you think he care? This man cannot be tamed. Can't tame. What? Oh no, understand.
I your life, I'm not done them.
Yeah. Anyway, where all my island people at, where all my African girls at, where all my Spanish girls at, all of the people in the world, if you like Caribbean music, you know, I be over here in my other persona. This is not Nicki. I keep trying to explain to them, this is a different persona because I am on my hiatus right now. Thank you for the microphone. You see, that was perfect. Queen something, that was perfect, mama, thank you. Oh, Blamdem, what should I give the people as a gift? So tonight, the top 10 people, I'm giving them a perfume. My perfume smells really good.
Oh, yes. Which part me can go for the other one?
No, I'm not gonna send it for you. She was saying send me a t-shirt thing and but this another thing though. Blamdem, why you sent me those big sizes t-shirts? I said extra small. That's what I meant. Please.
Oh, extra small. Yeah.
Pinto.
Oh, me think that small would not work. Me never know that have to be extra small.
Yeah, it has to be extra small. See, ladies, can you please tell him when we say our size, we know what we want.
All right, so, let me go send some more. Come you extra small. I'm pull over. You like the hoodie?
Yes, I love the hoodie.
All right, me go line up some of them.
But listen to me. Thank you, nice star. Thank you, 1 pop 5. So, what you thank you, V Minaj. Thank you. So, Blamdem, what gift should I give to the people tonight? Thank you, Egypt. The people tonight, the top 10 people, I'm giving them a gift. Yes. What do you think I should add? I'm giving them a perfume, and I can also add like 1 or 2 other things. What should I add?
You can add one more. What other brand you have, or if it's something more you have for yourself, where you promote, where are yours?
Well, I can send. Oh, the nails. Somebody said they want the nails. Okay. All right. So maybe I could do the nails, but But what would I sign? Should I sign like I don't know. Or do it make a big deal if I send them something signed? Does it matter? Is it like different?
Yeah, you can't do that. Can remember say, you know, yeah, queen. Anything is a price from you, you know. But it's something like where your brand, where like for instance, somebody with your own a clothing brand, give them something off your clothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Blamdem, you gonna send me a sweater?
Yeah, I'm gonna send one sweater. I want 2 more shirts.
Okay. All right. So we.
Which part they call?
Huh?
Which part they call?
Yeah, you want to know? It normally don't get cold like that out here, but yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can add Trinidad Killer one more time. Hold on. Trinidad Killer. Oh boy.
From Jamaica to Trinidad, man, I one love, man, isn't it?
That's right. That's absolutely right.
Jamaica and Trinidad are a family, you know, family country, them, you know. They share same culture, share same everything.
Yes, we are, and we love each other. You know, Jamaica and Trinidad, no matter how much you might diss each other,
family.
we love each other.
Never hear nothing, you know. Them are family. Jamaica and Trinidad are family country, them. Them are like literally family.
You could tell. But look, so everybody know one Roxy gang, one's gang.
Yeah, man.
In the building, and okay, so you'll get the perfume and you'll get some. Okay, you know what? This is what I'll say, you guys, because maybe I'll do a different package for everybody. The top 10 people from today is gonna get a perfume and also either a signed vinyl or a signed piece of merch. Hi Ethiopia. Plus, wait, 1, 2. Plus the nails. So just in case, and even if you don't wear nails, you can give it to someone who does wear nails. Okay? So it's gonna be those 3 gifts, but you will get something signed. And yes, happy 2025 to you guys. I love you so much. Please believe in yourself. Please love yourself. Please, you know. Oh, someone said top 10 what? The top 10 gifters on this live that I just did to say thank you to, to say congratulations to Trinidad Killer for getting 1 million views on his video. And I'm very proud of him. And I had told him I was going to send him a verse when he gets 1 million views, but I didn't know it was going to happen so fast. Hi, Mr. Xer. And now today it went to 1 million, guys. So I didn't know. But hi Gambia. But guys, I want to say I love you. And hi Nigeria, hi Philippines, and always know hi Guatemala. And you guys know, no matter what is happening, that I absolutely love you, and more importantly, I appreciate you. You know that, right? Hi, Guyana. Okay, so Blamdem, play your song one more time, please. Can you?
Yeah, man. Milk me for
All right. So first of all, Eric, hi. Free Congo. Yes, and I always, after I had performed in that festival, I think it was, which festival was it, you guys? And one of the girls, and it was so many different African countries, first of all. And one of the girls that started throwing it back on me.
Nicki tell them, say I Blamdem, I slam them. Girl out to you want slam them. Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki Blamdem. Girl out to you want slam them. Ratty gang them, Nicki mad them. Ready bars them day, ready bars them day. Nicki know on the man, all over drunk up. Ready bars them day, ready bars them day.
So guys, on a scale from 1 to 10, is this song a 0, a 1, a 2, a 3? Do I love my Haitian girls?
Ready bars them day. Nicki know on the man all over jump up. Ready bars them day. Ready bars them day. 10 grand what a lion. Where the barbs them there? Where the barbs them there? Nicki know on the man be a celebrity. Where the barbs them there? Where the barbs them there? Death brand no alliance.
Thank you, Sagittarius. Wait, so y'all, thank you, Starboy. Thank you, Scorpio. Thank you, everybody. So guys, how much y'all rating that song right there? From 1 to 10. I mean, from 0 to 10. Thank you, Big Faye. Thank you, babe. From 0 to 10. I mean, from -1 to 0 to 1 to 2, 3. Well, first of all, we can't deny that the beat is really hitting. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. This is Blamdem's first song, but I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, the beat,
even though he's trying to be fun, the beat is I can't stop moving when the beat come on. I ain't gonna lie. It is what it is.
Beat bad man, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
But when the truth, they don't know the culture what go on over there with me on TikTok. So none of them now go understand. But if they come over, come watch me, they will know. And if they understand what me I say.
Trinidad, my country.
But people them from Trinidad we understand, and people from like, you know?
No. Sometimes I like that the fact that all of my fans don't understand everything I'm talking about. They don't care. They know sometimes that, you know.
Yeah.
They don't care. Eternal life, thank you. But look, guys, that beat is actually doing something. Thank you, Ivory.
No, it's bad man.
Yes, but we're gonna have more in store, and it's gonna be lots more drunk for them. If it gets
man, I don't try the first song, man. I got you see me. I'm just see how I go on. I'll try to shoot a video feed.
So you gonna wear your mask?
I'll make it be perfect. So if you make them film and watch the video. But think Need a little touch up. Why not mix it or certain things?
Blamdem.
Yeah.
Are you gonna wear your mask in the video?
No, I'm not going in the video. I'm not going in the video. And those girls are going in the video. I'm not going in there. And those some barbs me I'll get put in the video. Some pretty girl in a pink hair.
Okay.
I'm not going to go in the video. I'll get some girl and video them as some Airbnb. I'm not going in this.
So thank you, Kiara. So guys, you heard him. The video, if he shoot a video, it's not gonna be him. It's just gonna be pretty girls with pink wigs on, and that's gonna be it. And that go on. So
no more than go on. That's gonna go on.
Yeah, chord.
I'll lose the song now past airport.
Thank you, DJ Danger. Thank you, sweetheart. And I hope I didn't say your name wrong. Thank you, Kiara. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you, everyone. Dr. Cord, Tasley Boo. Thank you.
Dr. Cord.
Huh?
Dr. Cord.
Dr. Cord. Dr. Cord. Dr. Cord. Oh, Kayoka said tight hold. That's right. Cord. Dr. Cord. Tight hold. Cord. Tight hold. Dr. Cord. Okay. Y'all, honestly, I love you very much. God bless you guys. And we'll be back to play. But the people who win, can you give me within 3 to 5 days to have everything situated for your gift. So I'll be able to screenshot, I'm guessing, the top 10 people here, right? Well, guys, can you do it for me right now before I hang up? So I know who won, and whoever won, thank you, and God bless y'all. And yeah, we about to get it popping. Barbs, I love you so much. And I can't ever stop and won't ever stop. And even when I'm on my hiatus, you guys know I'm always working to make you happy. And I'm never going to not be doing that, guys. No matter what you see, no matter how much fun I'm having or laying back or whatever, just know, y'all know I always got y'all with quality. The quality, okay? So, yeah, so big up, one Ratty gang. Oh, you should play Black Rain for a few seconds. Blamdem, I want your Black Rain. Thank you, Evie Cruz, sweetheart. Thank you guys so much. Trinidad, Nigeria, Uganda, who sent me that? DJ Danger. Thank you, DJ Danger. I still couldn't get Trinidad Killer, but Trinidad Killer, and I know Trinidad Killer, this is probably past your bedtime, but Trinidad Killer, I love you and I'm proud of you. I hope you feel very proud of yourself. Even though we can't get on here today, we get on here another day. But in the meantime, Trinidad Killer, just keep on creating greatness and putting out that, and all this for everybody on here. Just try, put out, great energy. Cameroon, how are you guys? Just try to put out great energy and also know that we're human, y'all, okay? You are human, okay? You're not, thank you, Zambia. Hi, Zambia. You're not ever gonna get everything right. Hi, London. Hi, UK. I didn't say hi to London in a minute. Wow, yikes. You're not going to get everything right, okay? It's not always gonna just be figured out. Hi, Martinique. Hi, Senegal. But not only are you going to make it through what you're going through, not only are you going to make it through, but you're going to make it through triumphantly. Do you understand? Do you get that? Like, do you feel what seriously, y'all? Okay. So, Blamdem.
It's load.
Okay. Zambia. Whose voice is that in the beginning? Who knows what voice that is? Play it again, Blamdem, please.
Fuck with no bumbo clot and we go down and see man if we not deal with violence. And violence we are deal with. Blood clot. Who are deal with violence? Come. The last man this head that boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when we talk. Close your man's tongue when you're from the yard. Rifleman, pull up on the guns, crazy. And up on the block to the money. Anybody hear this, I can feel it. And I play me hungry. This so fuck, come on, make carpet. Forget me, boom up a fence and beat up a leg. Spray down, killer, we beat the road. And if you don't come and roll, you get it in a bed. Stand up and bring down. Push my gun in their face and squeeze off. Speed up, didn't know them no vehicle. So me cheap gun and I'm gone like big gun. Chip up the side, come on. Don't DJ, pop, come up. Two clip, game, pop, man, I'll stop, not that. Make a DM, me a beat it up in the sun. How everything cold up. Pen me roll up, F-boy pull up, like a some cool up. And then can't talk to my throat up. He's with myself, the place, I'm all shoot up.
Oh, wait, hold on. Blamdem.
Yes, sir.
Please go back just go back to them 4 bars right there, please. Them 4 bars gonna do it for me every time. One more part, one more, please.
Right, that's a...
Yeah, none of them can talk to me too tough. Easy on yourself, that place here, me will shoot up. Yo, no, gang, one, gang. All right, guys, I love you. Ghana, I love you. You guys can feel free to go and look up any of those artists that y'all want that I played or that I showed up to, from Trinidad Killer to Tate, Kobang, Lourdes, Skang, Tommy Lee Sparta, one Tommy Lee, okay? Just in case y'all didn't know any, whatever I was talking about at any point. Amazing, they're all amazing artists. Truly amazing artists, okay? All right, so Blamdem. You already know. Thank you for helping me out. Bye South Africa, bye you guys, bye America, everybody, wherever you are, I love you. And I'm going to screenshot the top people from this live, and I'm going to send you 3 gifts, and one of them will be perfume, one of them will be a signed thing by me, and one of them will be one other thing. Okay, God bless you guys. Be good to yourselves and stop being mean to yourselves. Love you.